progressions. Exercise 1.1. In which of the following situations does the least of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression, and why? First one. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometers. Therefore, first term is 15, second term is 23, third term is 31, fourth term is 39, and so on. Here we need to calculate second term minus first term equals to 23 minus 15 equals to 8. Third term minus second term, 31 minus 23 equals to 8. Fourth term minus third term equals to 39 minus 31 equals to 8. Hence, second term minus first term equals to third term minus second term equals to fourth term minus third term. Therefore, the given list of numbers forms an arithmetic progression with the common difference D equals to 8. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder at the time. Let the volume of air present in the cylinder be x cubic units. Then first term equals to x. After removing 1/4 of air, volume becomes 3x divided by 4. After removing 1/4 of air for second time, the volume becomes 9x divided by 16, and so on. Therefore, first term equals to x, second term equals to 3x divided by 4, third term equals to 9x divided by 16, and so on. Second term minus first term equals to 3x divided by 4 minus x. After taking LCM, 3x minus 4x whole divided by 4. 3x minus 4x is minus x divided by 4. Nothing but minus 1x divided by 4. Third term minus second term equals to 9x divided by 16 minus 3x divided by 4. After taking LCM of 16 and 4, we are getting LCM as 16. And in numerator, 9x minus 12x. Minus 3x divided by 16 is the answer. Hence, second term minus first term is not equals to third term minus second term. So, the given list of numbers does not form an AP. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. Cost of digging a well after 1 meter equals to rupees 150. Cost of digging a well after 2 meter equals to rupees 150 plus 50 is rupees 200. Cost of digging a well after 2 meter equals to rupees 200 plus rupees 50 equals to rupees 250 and so on. Hence, first term is 150, second term is 200, third term is 250 and so on. Second term minus first term equals to 200 minus 150 equals to 50. Third term minus second term equals to 250 minus 200 equals to 50. Hence, second term minus first term equals to third term minus second term. So, the given list of numbers forms an arithmetic progression with the common difference D equals to 50. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. The amount of money in the account for the first year is rupees 10,000. The amount of money in the account for second year is rupees 10,800. The amount of money in the account for the third year is rupees 11,664. The amount of money in the account for the fourth year is rupees 12,597 and 12 paisa. Hence, first term is 10,000, second term is 10,800, third term is 11,664, fourth term is 12,597.12 and so on. Second term minus first term is 10,800 minus 10,000 is 800. Third term minus second term is 11,664 minus 10,800 equals to 864. Fourth term minus third term is 12,597.12 minus 11,664 equals to 933.12. Hence, second term minus first term is not equals to third term minus second term. It is also not equals to fourth term minus third term. So, the given list of numbers does not form an arithmetic progression.